How's it going, everybody? Kevin with Irish Beard Balm here, and today we're doing a product review. Some of you may have found this channel, this review, not necessarily looking for bearding products. You'll notice all my other product reviews, and my whole YouTube channel in general is about the beard. But today I'm going to do something a little bit different for you, because being like the rest of you guys, we got chores around the house. So I've got a product here that I want to review, maybe help you guys out with some of your chores. The chore I'm talking about, pressure washing. We all hate pressure washing. Horrible job. Pressure washing this past weekend, my driveway, sidewalk along my house. Hours and hours of pressure washing, and after I was all done, I figured there's got to be a better way. There's got to be some kind of tool out there, something to make this job better. So I started Googling on the old interweb about easier pressure washing jobs. Come across some cool gadgets, some cool water brooms of different types. Some range from $25 to $200. So I hit the old YouTube looking for some videos on some of these products, and there were no videos. Kind of blew me away, so kind of read up for what I could on some online reviews, written reviews, and decided to go with basically a water broom. The only one video I found on YouTube was made by Apache, and it was their video, the company video on their product, and I never buy those. Those videos are always the ideal atmosphere, and they never give you a clear indication of how the product works. So went online looking for the Apache water broom. They were not really expensive, between $30 to $50. Then I went to eBay and found this one made by Generac, which is the exact same thing as the Apache one. And I like Generac. Generac makes cool generators, pressure washers. So I figured, hell, a company that makes pressure washers, I don't know how to make pressure washer accessories. So bought this one, brand new in the box, never been used, $25. A great deal. And basically what it is, it's just a little water broom. It's got a little attachment for your hose. It's got a couple little wheels. And underneath, not sure if you can see, it's got a little bar with a bunch of little pressure washing nozzles inside of it. So basically what you would do is you would take your pressure washer, just pop the nozzle off, pop this on, and use it like a water broom. So what we'll do is we'll go outside now. Like I said, I already pressure washed my driveway and sidewalk, so we're gonna go next door to the neighbor's house. He hasn't pressure washed his in a long time, so we'll work on his, and I'll meet you back here in a few minutes. see by the video or the actual pressure washing that the water broom actually does a pretty good job. You know, I'd like to know how long it would take to do my entire driveway. You can see just a little portion of what I did. I certainly was not going to do my neighbor's entire sidewalk and driveway just to find out. But I think I did enough to realize, or to prove to me anyways, that this is actually a pretty good product. It's well worth it. What I enjoyed about this product more, if you can see when I was having to pressure wash the edge of the sidewalk, and if anybody that's ever had to do that, you get real close to dirt. One little wrong move into the dirt, you are covered head to toe in mud, and you stay that way for the rest of your job. I was pretty impressed that I was able to get this all the way into the grass, and I didn't get any dirt on me. Came out fairly dry, a lot drier than I would have by using a standard pressure washer. So I'm gonna give this one 2 thumbs up. I think it's definitely a buy. It'll definitely save some time. So, like I said, go out and buy it. This one, like I said, made by Generac. There's ones made by Apache. Those are the only 2 that I really saw like this with the wheels and completely covered. And this one, I forgot to tell you, got a little broom here on the back. Not quite sure what that's for, but kept me getting crap back on me anyways. So I would definitely buy it. Like I said, I found mine on eBay, 25 bucks. I think brand new. I hit one site and they were only 35 maybe, I don't know. So hunt them down and hopefully maybe save you a little time. You know, knock out your driveway and sidewalk on a Sunday morning and be able to catch the game in the afternoon. So cool. And all you new people out there, just find me. If you got a beard, look at my other videos. Whole channel here based on the beard. And once again, my name is Kevin from Irish Beard Balm. I sell beard balm, combs, brushes. So, and then for all of you others that have watched all my bearding videos and you happen to be on my site and see this new one, you guys have a good day. And remember, beard on and beard long.